How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can fix your Mercedes-Benz screen went black. So to fix a black screen on your Mercedes-Benz, you want to start with a simple system reboot. Basically, to do that, you want to press and hold the power button or the power button on the center console for around 10 to 15 seconds until the screen restarts. Now, if this fails, you want to lock the vehicle and you want to let it sleep for around 15 minutes. Restart the car and see if that works. Now, if a simple reboot doesn't fix the problem, you want to perform this troubleshooting steps in order. So first things first, you want to perform an M-Box soft reset. Now, if your car is equipped with the M-Box system, you want to try this alternative buttons combination to force a restart. Now, on the touchpad right here, basically you want to press and hold the favorite and telephone button on the side of the center touchpad for around 10 seconds. And if you have a steering wheel right beside the dashboard right here, you can also try pressing and holding the home button on the left side and the back button on the right side simultaneously for around 10 seconds. So it's going to be this buttons right here. Right after, you want to check for loose connection, and you also want to check and reset the fuses. Now, that is one of the most common ways why the screen fails. So you want to check the fuses and see if everything is still intact. From there, you want to check your battery voltage. So you want to make sure that your battery is above 12 volts if the vehicle is running. So what you want to do is to just disconnect the battery for around 10 to 15 minutes, reconnect it, and then from there, just go ahead and look if the problem is fixed. So after trying these troubleshooting steps, hopefully it fixes the problem. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.